What is up, Geeks 4x4? Coming to you from the Winter 4x4 Jamboree at the end of the weekend. As you can see, it's Sunday. We're just about by ourselves here today, but I had some requests to do some videos of the trailer setup, actually when I'm camping in it. So it's going to be a quick walk around of the trailer. Excuse camera in my hands and just trying to show you guys what's going on a little bit. But there's the aftermath. The aftermath there of Winter 4x4 Jamboree. Got a couple guys sitting around, another Jeep running in right now, and a lot of guys headed home today, obviously. Before I get started on Dano's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Let's get started on this video. So anyway, I finally took Dano down to an off-road event, and it worked out really well having a base camp. Only problem I had before I started the trip, I was working on it, and I bounced the positive into a negative, and I burned up my solar controller. So had no solar charging this trip, but I've done just fine on batteries, so I just hardwired it in, and that is done. So got this box up here. This has got solar panel in it, and I put my hitch in it for the week, and I've got a chair and tables and kinds of other stuff. I've also put my front license plate that comes out of the LJ in there, so I don't have to carry that around for the week. So the windows are fogged, just got up, so still a little steamy inside, but my inside setup for the week. It's been good. It's cold here, so I went and grabbed, that's a little AutoZone like defroster. It kind of helps a little bit. I need to find a little better heater setup that'll run on 12 volts, but there's a dirty clothes bin and those other bins over there. So got that working out, and got the jacks down, shadow out of the way on their adult size Legos to level it out a little bit, as you can see over here. Also mounted my full-size spare before I left, so I've got a 235 75 15 as a spare, so I don't have a different size if I blow a tire. Doesn't matter, but helpful. Off this rear door, and I put in another cool thing. This door doesn't have any really thing to hold it closed, so I put in, to go over here so I can show you guys. I just put it in. So I put on these clips and this strap. It's actually from the boat cover extra, and it's attached up here, and so it holds the door to where it doesn't come closed on me. And you got back there, that's the back of the dirty clothes, and then these bins that come down. You can see I'm at 12 volts. I've got this is the heater plugged in. The heater's not running right now. It really draws some, you can see on the gauge. Yeah, I mean, it's really been great to have the base camp here. I got the Canyon sitting in here, and I messed with the slide, so I put this little handle on the slide, and I still got lots of cold stuff in the Canyon, but it's worked out great. And I also put a bigger bin in. This has got pots and pans and trash bags and bowls to wash things in and everything like that. So I got this thing out, and it's removable, as I showed before with that pin. So yeah, just a quick little walk around of it in camp, all set up. Really worked well for this trip. It was nice to have a base camp, and so I think I'm going to have it at Easter Jeep too, and I'm really looking forward to it. Come find me at Easter Jeep if you want to check it out. Check out that rig. Just wanted to say thanks for watching this video. I didn't realize until I got home from Winter 4x4 that I hadn't shot an outro for you guys. So here it is. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. We appreciate your support for the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notifications. I know, all cliche, but helps the channel grow, and we appreciate any support. we will see you guys next time. Hopefully at Easter Jeep.